What's up, everyone? Welcome back for another video. Thanks for joining me. I know it's been a while since I uploaded a video. Been a little hectic lately, but gonna try to get back into the swing of things. Let me explain some things, and let me just explain some things. So I have some footage of moving and getting the cars moved and whatnot, all that fiasco, and then a little bit of footage about the RV trip. I was planning on filming a walk around the RV, but we had some RV troubles and we wound up returning it early, and we actually got money back for our troubles and returning it early. So it kind of worked out. It was a little bit of a headache, but at the end, I guess that all worked out. We're here and we made it in 3 days. So here is Southern Utah. We finally made it. We moved from our house in Westchester and we're up here now. So let's take a look at the garage, I guess is the thing you guys really want to see. So this is a 3-car garage, one and then a 2-door over there, which for someone like me, this is basically just a 2-car with a little extra space. I'm gonna have to figure out a layout that works for working on the cars and whatnot, but like I might be able to put my toolbox here and workbench, or maybe I could like put it there as like an in-between so this car could come over this way. I'll figure it out at some point. Obviously up here needs some work, so this is gonna, eventually we're gonna insulate this, drywall it, and paint this whole thing, and probably put up some sick lights up there, because as you can see, 1, 2, and 3 is not gonna cut it. Wow, that's a new dent. Yeah. No idea where that came from. But anyway, could have been on the transport, could have been on one of these roads over here. Who knows? No big deal, because the other side's dented in. If you have been following along for long enough, you know my dumbass backed into a tree while off-roading once. Broke the taillight and dented in the side and tried to fix it. I didn't really care that much because it's an off-road truck and it's gonna get scratched and whatnot. Doesn't matter. So let's go over a couple of the things here, I guess. So in the RV, we tried to take a bunch of stuff, which we may have taken a little too much stuff, but now after the fact, I don't mind how much we took because it's over with. But we took a bunch of stuff that we were gonna wanna use instantly, because that stuff from the house, the window was the 17th, I think, to May 7th. So we still don't have our stuff for the house yet. I guess it's not a completely bad thing because we've been painting. It's less stuff to move around to paint. I started taking out some little concrete thing in the corner, and the floor is not finished under that, or the baseboard, so I guess that was here the whole time, but past the point of no return on that one. Internet is a problem right now. So the internet provider we decided to use is not the same internet that was already in their house, which I probably should have looked or asked to see which internet was in the house already. No big deal, it's in progress already of working itself out, but they came on Monday, today's Friday, to install the internet, the new internet. They had a problem running the fiber optic line from the street to the house because the conduit is messed up, so they left, set an appointment up with the contractor, I guess, to run new conduit from the street to the house, which takes up to 10 days. Called them, I called up yesterday, they said that's possibly, those guys are scheduled to come on the 28th, and May 2nd they'll come and install the internet. So right now, what my wife is doing is using, where's that sick reflection come from? My wife is using the car's hotspot right now to make her video calls. Have the car hooked up to a trickle charger, which is a little far, I should use an extension cord, but that's how we're getting internet right now. And that's another reason why I really haven't posted any videos, because we don't really have internet. I just have my phone and this, and if she's not on video calls, then I could do it, I guess. But I also don't have a spot to edit because we don't have our furniture. The whole thing. So I wanted to make this little video because I know I've been a little MIA of what's been going on, but the car's made it here safely, I guess, if you don't count that dent, which I don't know if that was there or not. We're here safely, and I know it was a little MIA, but I'm gonna try to get back on some sort of schedule of uploading. I can't really take the car anywhere because the wife needs it as a hotspot, so that's another thing. So I've just been doing stuff around the house, a lot of painting, which I hate doing, but it's getting there very slowly. So that's the update for you guys. I know this probably isn't the video you've been wanting to see. I know a lot of people are waiting for some 190E content and whatever else, but we'll get there. I'm excited to build out this garage at some point. It's obviously not happening right away because we have house stuff to deal with that we want to do before this. Like we want to renovate the kitchen, fix up the bathroom and stuff. It's a new house, but just not our style, and that's it. So I will see you guys on the next one. Thanks for joining me. Hit that subscribe button and all that good stuff, and we could start making awesome videos out here. I will see you guys. Peace.